Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from the Motilal Oswal Research Desk. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Market is expected to open on a strong note due to a rally in the US, European, and Asian markets, which have lifted the overall global sentiment. This follows a delay in tariffs on imports from Mexico and Canada, easing concerns about a multi-front trade war. Additionally, the US dollar index has dropped below 109 and FIIs have turned net buyers. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 5th February 2025, Nifty index opened gap up by almost 150 points, and after the slight slip in the initial hours, the bulls took complete charge of the index and it rallied by around 340 points. It crossed its 50 daily exponential moving averages and went on to touch 23,760 zones to conclude the session near its higher band. It formed a bullish candle on the daily frame and closed with gains of around 380 points. India VIX was down by another 2.5% to 14 levels. Nifty put-call ratio increased to 1.16. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 23,300 to 24,200 marks, while immediate range is in between 23,500 to 24,000 levels. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 809 crores, while DIIs were sellers worth 431 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 16.8%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 23,650 for an up move towards 23,850, then 24,000 levels, while support can be seen at 23,600 and 23,500. Bank Nifty has to hold above 50,000 for the next up move towards 51,000 levels, while support can be seen at 49,750. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Shriram Finance, Manappuram, Indian Bank, Cholamandalam Finance, Ultratech Cement, MCX, Reliance, and GNFC. While some weakness could be seen in Torrent Pharma, Godrej Consumer Products, BSoft, Apollo Hospital, Escorts, and HFCL. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.